Is it better to pray Salat al-Tarawih at home or in the masjid?
Salat Tarawih is better for the people to pray in the masjid, is better than praying at home. Unless you have a jama'ah you have in your locality where you can lead the qiyam, and you have a jama'ah where you can, then no problem. But to pray in the masjid is the best one, which the Prophet ﷺ, what he did at the beginning, and then he changed it, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, because of the fear that he had that it might be made obligatory on the people. And the hadith, of course, Imam 𝗕رمذي narrated in hadith Abi Dharr, من قام مع الإمام يعني في صلاة التراويح حتى ينصرف كتب له قيام ليلة. So this won't come unless you pray with an imam, right, in a masjid. You're not going to get that. And Umar radiallahu anhu, when he saw the people all praying separately, he wanted to bring them all together. So that's the best. That's what Ibn Hajar and great other scholars. Nawawi even says, صلاة التراويح سنة بإجماع العلماء وتجوز منفردا وجماعة وأيهما أفضل. He says في وجهان مشهوران الصحيح باتفاق الأصحاب أن الجماعة أفضل الثاني الانفراد أفضل. There's two قول. One قول says that jama'ah is better, and one says that praying by yourself is better. The reason why there's a dispute anyways is because the one who memorized the Quran and knows the Quran ولا يخاف الكسل, and is not scared about being lazy, they say if he prays by himself is better because he's going to get more khushu', no one's going to see him. It's better for his sincerity. As for the one who has not got much Quran, he's scared that he's going to be lazy and he only can keep his momentum by going to the masjid, then for him to go to the jama'ah is better for him. So there's that observation that some of the scholars have. Ibn al-Qayyim speaks about it. But Tirmidhi says that 𝗕ختيار ibn Mubarak, Abdullah ibn Mubarak's view, and Ahmad ibn Hanbal and Ishaq ibn Rahuya is as-salatu ma'a al-imam fi shahr Ramadan is better.
Okay.